Hi, in this video, I will show you how to rewrite a script on Copy.ai. So first and foremost, you have to go to Copy.ai and create an account. You can sign up using your email address, or you can just basically connect this to your Google account. So this is Copy.ai's interface. To start, what you're going to do is you have to tap on this new button right here, and you will see three options. But what you're going to do is you have to choose for chat, which is this one. Okay, so now it's creating a chat, and basically you will see the following like real-time search. It can summarize the latest news on generative AI, and you can also try this long form content. You can create a blog post about search engine optimization and then brainstorm ideas. What you're going to do is you have to go to this box right here and basically try to create a prompt. So you can follow this one or you can create your own. Everything is up to you. So here it is. Here's a YouTube script I want to rewrite to sound more casual and engaging. So here what you're going to do next is you have to basically paste after this one. So sure, I can definitely help with that. What you're going to do is you have to paste your script right here. And here is my sample script. 10 daily habits that will change your life forever. So I'm going to select all, copy, and then go back to copy.ai. And I'm going to paste the script right here. So this is what it looks like. So as you can see, I want to rewrite the sound more casual and engaging. So let's see what is the result. So here's the result. This is how Copy.ai rewrites a script. And you can read all of this. Now you can also add more prompts. For example, you want the script more energetic, you can add this one. Make this more energetic or rewrite this for a Gen Z audience. Shorten this to under 3 minutes or make this sound more inspirational. So you can pick one. So let's just say rewrite the script to sound more motivational and shorten it to under 500 words and keep it conversational. So let's see what will be the result. Okay, so here's the result as we ask for a shorter version. And you can also change the tone of your script. So you can basically choose from any of this prompt, like make this funnier, add a stronger hook at the beginning, or use shorter sentences. So let's just see if we're going to use this, make this funnier, and what will be the response of Copy.ai. And here it is. So basically you can ask more prompt if you want, till you get satisfied with the result. And once done, you can just basically copy everything here and then paste it anywhere. And that's how easy it is to rewrite a script on Copy.ai. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.